In this tutorial I will show you how to fix Capital One Bank app not working. First solution is to update the app to its latest version. For that, open your App Store. Now search for the app. You will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app. The second solution is to clear cache for the app. Open Phone Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the option of General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Find the app Capital One. Now tap on Offload app. Now tap on Reinstall app. After that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not if you still have the same issue. The last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. I hope one of these solutions solve your issue.